In the early 1990s, I was the court-appointed expert on violence caused by Prozac for all the combined Prozac suits for violence and suicide, which ran well over 100. I got to look inside the drug company. I got to talk to the FDA about it. And there is no doubt that Prozac and all of the newer antidepressants can cause a syndrome of agitation, anxiety, irritability, aggressiveness, and ultimately violence. The first big case in which I was the expert was Joseph Westbecker, who went into his place of work shortly after starting on Prozac and deluded about being sexually abused in public, shot and killed 8 of his co-workers. Lilly used all of its power and money and literally bought the trial. The Westbecker trial ended with nearly a locked jury. Lilly won by 1 vote, and that's what was covered by the media. Then the judge discovered that the plaintiffs bringing the suit against Lilly had been paid off multiple millions of dollars prior to the trial. A lot of it seemed to take place during the trial, but in fact, my evidence was overwhelming that the trial was fixed even beforehand, because as the main expert, I was not even worked with by the plaintiffs to present a proper testimony. That is the power of these drug companies. And then when the judge and the Supreme Court of Kentucky reversed the verdict and found that Eli Lilly may have even been involved in fraud, none of the major media carried the story.